how the frozen duck is, and as you see, we have to put salt in it because it'll be very slimy.
Seasoning.
Now this is for the seasoning now. Some salt for seasoning. Now the itik is now seasoned up. Well, this is not it. We can still add some more, like some Chinese 5 spice. So guys, this is how the duck looks like after we put all the Chinese 5 spices, black pepper and salt. Remember guys, do not eat duck raw. So now we're going to put some cling film off of this so we can leave it for an hour or overnight. It's up to you. The better you want it marinated. And then, so anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below, put a thumbs up, and bye.